Hi guys, so today we're going to be going over possessive nouns. If you remember this week, we are going over all forms of contractions, which means really we're talking about the apostrophe. So today we're going to be talking about possessive nouns. Yesterday we talked about contractions. So they go really well hand in hand when we are just talking about these apostrophes, okay? So we're going to go through the anchor chart that I have for you guys, and then you guys are going to hop on to Edge Elastic and complete the worksheet for today, okay? So, possessive nouns. A possessive noun shows ownership of something. So this lets you know that it is someone's something. It's their thing, whatever it is. So there's a couple different rules, and I have them outlined here in green. If we could just go piece by piece, we're going to start with the top portion. So for a singular noun, this means there is only one noun. So I could be talking about myself. I am not talking about many people, okay? So for singular nouns, meaning just one, we're going to add an apostrophe S, okay? So if we're talking about one book that we read, the book ending was great. Well, that doesn't sound right. We want to make it to where it shows the possession of the book. It is that book's ending. So if it's talking about just one book, we're going to add that apostrophe S. The book's ending was great. So singular noun, apostrophe S to show that possession. The book's ending was great. Now here we're talking about a person. We're just talking about one person, so it's still singular. We can tell because it's just Olivia. It's not anybody else, it's just her. Olivia, hair is curly. Well, that doesn't quite sound right. We need to show that possession. It's her hair. So we're going to follow the rules. Olivia's, apostrophe, S. Oh, I'm so sorry about that S. Olivia's hair is curly. So try and read through my bad sideways handwriting and understand that that's an apostrophe S, okay? Now, moving on to plurals. There's two different ways that we show possession with plurals. With some of the plurals, it has the S at the end already. So plural shows more than one. Now we would be talking about more than one book, okay? We would be talking about more than one person. So for these plurals, here in this middle green section, we're talking about plurals that end with the letter S, okay? So this rule is for words that end with an S. We're just going to add an apostrophe at the end, okay? So the girl's teacher is nice. Maybe I'm talking about my 3 daughters, and I'm saying the girl's teacher is nice. We're just going to put that apostrophe at the end, okay? So anytime there is a noun, and it is plural, and it ends in an S, just put that apostrophe right at the end, and that will show the possession. It's the girls' teacher. Now, if the plural is an irregular plural, meaning it doesn't end in an S, like the word mice or the word women, meaning more than one mouse and more than one woman, the rules change just a little bit for that. So when the noun doesn't end in an S, we're going to add apostrophe S, okay? So instead of saying mice cheese, we want to show that it's that group of mice, it's their cheese. So we're going to put the apostrophe S. That's a better S. Mice's cheese. It's the mice's cheese that's in their cage. For women, we would do the same thing. It's all of the women's necklace, okay? So showing possession has a few different rules. We're going to review it, and then I want you guys to go try the worksheet. So, possessive nouns show ownership of something. For singular nouns, meaning it's just talking about one thing, one person, one animal, one noun, we're going to add an apostrophe S. Okay, this shows possession. The book's ending was great. We're talking about that book's ending. It shows the possession. Olivia's hair is curly. It's her hair. We need to put that apostrophe S to show that it's hers. For plurals that end with an S, we're just going to put an apostrophe at the end. So the girls' teacher is nice. For plurals that don't end in an S, we're going to put apostrophe S. The mice's cheese, the women's necklace. Okay? So hop on and do that worksheet for today. Take notes of this, come back to the video if you need to, and let us know if you need any help.